Hi everyone. So I thought about waiting till I looked really cute or something, but yeah, I was just too excited. I got mail. And it's from my auntie. If you can't tell. Flamingos. So anyways, I couldn't wait. I gotta open it up. Gotta see what's in it. So come along. Let's see. Aw, look at stuff falling out. Oops. Oh, it says thank you. Your support of my channel is so flamazing, and I appreciate you. Jennifer, sure do miss you. I have a couple things to test, and I can't get these two whiners to play along. Love you, Jean. What is she talking about? Larry and Joe? Are you guys whiny? Ow! Mac, no. I just got clawed. Anyway, super cute. She's so sweet. But one thing's in here. Woohoo! Cucumber eye mask. I was just looking for some eye masks. Thank you. Okay, that fell out. So let's see. Oh my goodness, she packed it. Another mask. This will be fun. Ow, Mac. That hurts. He wants to be a part of it. Say hi. Say hi. So I got this mask. This is exciting. Oh, this is going to be good. Peanut butter Snickers. Okay, Mac. That is not a pole to climb up. I've got like thin pants on and he's trying to climb my leg. Some fun socks. I just almost bought some, so thank you. I'm glad I didn't. Some kettle, corn, and some granola. Ooh, I'm excited about these. Sesame sticks, honey roasted pineapple habanero. What? Oh my goodness. I'm super excited. I think I'll have to do a special little taste test. Oh, buffalo blue cheese combos. Hello. That is so exciting. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so Hanukkah's coming up and she knows I celebrate. So she found me some dreidels. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Thank you. And some cute little ornaments. There's like a Hanukkah and some candles, the dreidels, and that's the Star of David. Or Solomon for some people. And oh my goodness, that is so cool. Oh, daily note planner pad. Love one another, John 13:36. That's super cute. Mr. Mac is really, he's trying to get into everything. I'm about ready to put him in this box. There's nothing left. You're going in the box. There. Is that just a box of cuteness? Okay. So I've got, oh my goodness, she like loaded it down. Oh my goodness. I don't know how she found these, but this is so cool. Happy Hanukkah. And wishing peace and light. This is so cool. Thank you. That is awesome. They don't have these around here. And if you got this at the Dollar Tree, that is so cool. I'm excited. I get to start decorating soon because it's going to be like at the end of the month. So this is exciting. I'm so excited. Thank you. And more chocolate, truffles. So I feel like I should do like a taste test of everything that she sent me. And I'll do it for another video, I think. And there's one last thing. So one last thing. It's a pop swap little my mini mixies or something. It's going to be a cute little thing. So let's see what it is. Doesn't want to open. Mr. Mac, what are you doing, buddy? I feel like I have to do one, don't you think? I'll do a taste test with those food just by itself because there's some goodies in there. Okay, so this is, I guess, the different ones that comes in these cute little boxes. That's okay. And let's see what's in it. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. This is kind of fun. I might have to get these for the granddaughters when they get older. You like...
Time for some comedy.
That's my husband. That was his comedy. They're cute. You put little hair things on them and dress them. Oh, this is kind of fun. How adorable. Not yet, but I will. Oh my goodness. That is so fun. There's like little outfits. It comes with little hair pieces. Like so the hair comes off and oops, the head just came out of the body. There's another little outfit for it to go on. It's so cute. How adorable. Can you see these? I don't even know if I put it on right. It's pretty cute. And there's another one in here too. There's two of them. They're so adorable. I like these. These are cute. Little mini things. How much fun. It's called Pop and Swap Outfits and Hair is what it is. And they're these little mini dolls and they're super cute. And I think I'm going to have to start collecting some for my granddaughters. For when they get old enough. They're too little. They're like, oh, Mac. No. Goodness gracious. Thank you, Auntie. I'm super excited. I am going to do, I think, just the taste test by itself on another video. Because there's several goodies in here that I'd like to try. But I probably won't include this one because I'll probably just eat these. Most people have seen these. So, I'm super excited. Hanukkah's coming up. And she knows it. I love you. Thank you. Bye. My husband wanted me to show you the fireplace. It's kind of died down. I have to turn it so that way you get some flames, but it's our first fire in the fireplace for this year and it feels so good. The weather's already almost in the 30s, so it'll get pretty cold tonight. So pretty excited about that. Anyways, yeah, that's my kitten in the background playing with the box. She's pretty loud. So anyways, hope you all stay warm. Winter is almost here. Have the best day ever. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And thank you everyone who supports this channel.